welcome back to Emma Unicorn Dots Sparkle 15. Today we have 1,000 fidgets today. So I say that we're gonna do 1,000 million fidgets today, okay? So we're gonna start to these, but I have 1,000 fidgets because yesterday my Mima bought me like 1,000 fidgets that I cannot even stop playing with them. So we're gonna play with some of my new fidgets and my old fidgets, but today we're gonna actually do it. So we're gonna do a couple parts because I don't want to do a very long video for you guys. Because if we do like a long video, that means it would take it would take all day to do it. So that's why I'm just gonna do it nice and easy, nice and slow. So first, we're gonna start with this yellow Pop-It tube. So I have this tube. This is brand new. So, and look at your stitch like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was so cool. And this is how you do it. Another one got broken. Look, it got broken because I keep doing it too hard. If I don't even do it too hard, then I won't even broke. Stay still. There we go. There we go. It's not even broken. It's just stuck. Well, now let's do this broken one. This one is very broken. Look. See, this one's very, 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 very broken. Oh, look at how stuck it is. How stuck. There we go. Done. Now next, we're gonna do the blue one. The blue pop. That's the best I can do. So the Pop-It tubes break easily, so you have to be really, really careful because they may break easily. God. Pink. Pop-It tube. And next, let's do a blue monkey noodle. Let's see. What about this? Papa 2. Never blue Papa 2. Papa 2. Let's try another one of these. And the last thing for today is a yellow monkey noodle. Okay guys, thank you for watching part 1. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye. Bye, Unicorn fans.